Introducing our premium garage double door weather seal, the ultimate solution to keeping your garage dry, comfortable, and secure. Our garage door seal comes with installation instructions, making it super easy to install. This garage door seal is a great way to keep any weather or dust out of your garage. Our garage door weather seal has been designed with a solid yellow line to ensure this is highly visible for people to step over when entering and exiting the garage. To purchase our product, you can visit the website provided, or you can contact us on the numbers below.